Are you looking for a brand new, never lived before home? 4-bedroom in the new community of Northwest Brampton? Then you are at the right place at our next listing. This is a spacious 4-bedroom, 3-washroom freehold townhome close to 2000 square feet, double door entry, 9 feet ceiling, lot of amenities just close to this home. We are just walking steps from a bus stop. New commercial plaza is coming just 1 block away. Lot of green space because it's on border of Brampton and Caledon in the Peel region of Greater Toronto area. Why not go inside and look into this amazing home? From the covered porch, you are entering into the home, which have a cover on the entry, which is tiled throughout. Next to it is a coat closet, and as you move, you are greeted by the 2-piece washroom, which is very spacious. The whole area is hardwooded throughout. Even the stairs are matching with the same color of the hardwood. And next to it is our garage. Garage comes with a separate entrance into the home, and also the same. There's another entrance which goes to the back side. Now the beauty is this can be used as another entry into the home, which directly goes into the basement. Now we are going to enter the heart of the house. This is the spacious kitchen, L-shaped kitchen with brand new stainless steel appliances, tall cabinetry. It comes with a huge island with a double sink. The new homes these days comes with an open concept. From the kitchen area, we are next to the great area, or we call it a family place. Backyard is very spacious because this is a 89 feet deep lot. I know you must be waiting. Let's go upstairs to see those spacious 4 bedrooms. We are standing in the primary bedroom, which comes with a 10 feet coffered ceiling, walk-in closet and 5-piece ensuite washroom. Second floor laundry is a privilege in all the modern homes these days. Next to this laundry, we have 4-piece ensuite washroom. All the remaining 3 washrooms are very spacious, and they are oriented in such a manner which gives a lot of privacy from the neighboring rooms. Are you looking for more space? Now let's go into the basement of this home. This is an unfinished spacious basement which is waiting for your creativity. It can be used for your kids' play area, maybe a gym or a man's cave for your weekend parties. If you're looking to book an exclusive showing for this home, do call us because this is not going to last long. And remember to follow us for more such homes that will come in the future.